Kilig S01M Countertop Instant Clear Ice Maker Machine. 16 PCs, 12 to 20 mins with 2-liter water tank, 15 kilo per day self, cleaning function and self-timer, home, kitchen, office, party. About this item, Kilig S01M Countertop Ice Machine produces 16 crystal clear cubes in 8-15 minutes and up to 15 kilo in 24 hours. Its quick ice production and ample capacity allow you to enjoy the pleasure of chilling and cooling at any moment. This ice maker features a 1.5-liter external water tank and a 0.5-liter top tank, reducing the frequency of refills. Additionally, the external water tank is removable and can be used as an ice cube storage container. 13 ice cube thickness options. This tabletop ice maker offers 13 different ice cube thicknesses, so you can select the perfect size for your favorite drinks like cocktails, sodas, and more. Adjust the ice thickness easily using the plus or art button. Smart control panel. To make operation easy, we've included an LED touch panel on the ice cube maker. The intuitive display allows you to quickly see important information like the machine's running status and the number of ice cubes. 24-hour timer. This ice machine features a 24-hour timer function, enabling you to preset ice-making times to suit your needs. It automatically starts at the scheduled time, allowing you to enjoy the refreshment of ice cubes without needing to monitor the process. Effortless self-cleaning. Forget about spending time manually cleaning the countertop ice maker. Just press the plus button for 5 seconds to activate the cleaning program. The process takes about 20 minutes, ensuring you can enjoy fresh ice cubes anytime. Quiet and compact, equipped with a compressor cooling system, this ice maker operates quietly with minimal noise. With dimensions of 28 cm x 22 cm x 33 cm LWH, it fits perfectly on your countertop, making it ideal for use at home, in the office, or at the bar.